Big jobs feel easier with tools that are built to perform. And KNIPEX brings exactly that. From sharp cutters and reliable crimpers to precision wire strippers, these tools are made to handle plumbing, electrical, and solar work with speed and accuracy. KNIPEX focuses on durability, control, and smarter design, helping every task move faster and feel more efficient, whether you are a pro or tackling projects yourself. Tight spaces stop being a headache when the right pliers can actually reach the job. KNIPEX Cobra ES uses an extra slim, extended jaw design that slips behind pipes and deep inside wall cavities where standard pliers fail. The push-button adjustment makes resizing fast right on the fitting, while hardened gripping teeth hold firmly on round or flat surfaces with less chance of slipping. Its narrow head gives the KNIPEX Cobra ES a huge advantage for compression fittings, shutoff valves, and other hidden hardware that usually forces extra disassembly. Ergonomic handles keep it comfortable during longer tasks, and the familiar water pump plier strength is still there, just with added reach and precision. For plumbers and maintenance work, it turns frustrating access problems into quick, controlled fixes. Switching between multiple crimping tools slows everything down, and that is exactly where KNIPEX MultiCrimp shines. Built for photovoltaic work, it combines 3 must-have crimping functions into one smart setup, making solar installations faster and far more efficient. KNIPEX MultiCrimp includes interchangeable dies for MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors, uninsulated cable connectors, and wire ferrules, with quick tool-free swaps that keep the workflow smooth. A round magazine stores up to 5 dies securely, so everything stays organized on the job. It handles photovoltaic cables, earthing conductors, and meter cabinet connections with precise, consistent crimps across multiple wire sizes. The ratchet mechanism stays smooth and reliable, while the unlock feature adds extra control when needed. For professionals working on solar systems, this tool cuts clutter and keeps every crimp accurate. Wire prep gets a lot easier when the tool does the adjustment for you. KNIPEX ComStrip is a great entry-level wire stripper that automatically handles solid, multi-stranded, and fine-stranded wires without any manual setup. It works smoothly across a wide range of wire sizes, while the fine adjustment feature helps dial in the perfect cut depth for tricky insulation or extreme temperatures. KNIPEX ComStrip also includes a built-in cable cutter, making it even more useful for everyday electrical work. The adjustable length stop keeps repeated strips consistent, which saves time on larger jobs. A compact head helps it reach tighter spaces, and the soft grip ergonomic handle keeps hand fatigue low during longer use. Its lightweight glass fiber reinforced body stays durable, and replaceable blades help keep the tool performing like new. Solar cable prep feels much faster when the tool is purpose-built for the job. KNIPEX ErgoStrip PV is made specifically for photovoltaic installations, handling 4 and 6 square millimeter photovoltaic cables with clean, accurate results. Its pistol grip shape makes cutting, stripping, and sheath slicing feel smooth and controlled, while the adjustable length stop keeps connector prep consistent for standard solar fittings. Slim, conical tips help the KNIPEX ErgoStrip PV reach cramped inverter boxes and tight rooftop spaces without a struggle. It also works well on standard round and damp-proof installation cables, adding extra versatility beyond solar work. Locating ridges guide the wire into the right position for cleaner stripping, and the spring-assisted action keeps repetitive tasks comfortable. Soft grip zones on the handle improve stability, making long installation sessions easier on the hands. Cutting steel cable doesn't need to feel like a fight when the tool is built for it. KNIPEX 6¼ wire rope shears slice through steel cables and wire rope up to 6 mm with clean, controlled cuts that help prevent fraying. Drop-forged, induction-hardened blades stay sharp even through repeated heavy-duty use, making the KNIPEX wire rope shears a dependable choice for regular job site work. Ergonomic handles give a secure grip and help reduce hand strain, which really matters during tougher cuts. A built-in safety latch keeps the shears locked closed during transport, while the compact size makes it easier to work in awkward or tight spaces. For rigging, sailing, construction, or general cable work, it delivers reliable precision without damaging the strands. Tight spots no longer slow down pipe work with a cutter built for precision. KNIPEX TubiX S 3-inch pipe cutter glides through metal pipes up to 3 inches cleanly and fast, leaving smooth, burr-free edges. Its slim, compact design lets it reach places where larger cutters cannot, while the adjustable screw ensures the perfect fit for each pipe diameter. Lightweight and ergonomic, it keeps hand fatigue low even during long plumbing or HVAC jobs. KNIPEX TubiX S is ideal for mechanical installations too, delivering professional-grade cuts without sacrificing portability, making it a go-to tool for tradespeople handling tricky or crowded pipe systems. Small but mighty, KNIPEX 6 1/4-inch Cobalt S compact bolt cutters pack serious cutting power into a portable design. A high-performance compound hinge cuts hand effort by up to 60% compared to regular cutters, while induction-hardened edges slice through steel rods, bolts, and chains cleanly. Ergonomic multi-component handles keep the grip comfortable and reduce fatigue during repeated cuts. Compact enough to fit into tight spots, the Cobalt S makes tough jobs easier without losing strength, making it a favorite for construction, electrical, and maintenance pros who need reliable, portable cutting tools. Handling thick cable sheaths becomes effortless with a tool designed for precision. KNIPEX Ratcheting Knife strips rigid plastic up to 1/4 inch thick with minimal effort thanks to its ratcheting mechanism. The sickle-style hook blade offers 3 cutting zones for round or lengthwise cuts, while a built-in guide protects conductor insulation. A clear millimeter depth scale keeps cuts accurate, and the replaceable blade folds safely into 4 positions: folded, straight, angled, and ratcheting. Thumb support and a 3-stage lock provide full control, and the durable glass fiber reinforced body with a multi-component handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip on every cut. Crimping gets effortless and precise with a tool built for the job. KNIPEX PreciForce is designed for MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors, offering improved crimp geometry that ensures excellent conductivity every time. The fixed die guarantees optimal connections, while the unlockable ratchet releases only when the right pressure is applied. Factory-calibrated force and smooth lever action mean minimal effort for consistent results, and the lightweight, ergonomic design keeps handling easy during long solar installation sessions. Perfect for residential, industrial, or off-grid setups like mobile homes, it delivers reliable, professional-grade crimps on every connection. Big cables meet their match with KNIPEX StepCut XL, built to handle thick copper and aluminum without breaking a sweat. Long handles, a high leverage joint, and sharp optimized edges make cutting large and small cables much easier than standard shears. It works on solid cables up to 35 square millimeters, stranded up to 70, and fine stranded up to 120, with stepped and front cutting edges for every size. 1- or 2-handed operation keeps control flexible, while the bolted joint ensures smooth, precise cuts. A slim head reaches tight panels, a pinch guard adds safety, and laser-hardened edges stay sharp for years, making heavy-duty cable work faster and more reliable. Cutting composite and plastic pipes is effortless with KNIPEX Composite Pipe Cutter, built for clean, precise cuts every time. Its sharp, durable blade and adjustable cutting depth prevent crushing or damage, while the ergonomic grip and lever reduce hand fatigue during long jobs. Compact and lightweight, it maneuvers easily in tight spaces, and the freely rotating cutting wheel lowers friction, cutting effort by up to 60%. Perfect for pipes up to 26 millimeters, including thicker aluminum layers like Geberit Mepla. It also features a secure locking mechanism and an option for a spare cutting wheel. KNIPEX combines precision, comfort, and versatility in one must-have pipe cutter. Wire ferrules get handled effortlessly with KNIPEX TwisterX16, built for flexibility and precision in tight spaces. Its head rotates a full 360 degrees with 8 locking positions, letting you approach the job from almost any angle. It produces square crimps for ferrules from 0.14 to 16 square millimeters and automatically adapts to different cross-sections. Both sides are accessible for long ferrules, and twin ferrules up to 2 by 6 square millimeters are handled easily. A ratchet mechanism guarantees consistent, high-quality crimps, while the toggle lever design reduces hand effort, keeping the tool lightweight and comfortable for extended use. Everything needed for high-voltage work comes neatly in one package with KNIPEX Basic Case. It holds 29 VDE-tested insulated tools, including pliers, open-ended spanners, a 3/8-inch reversible ratchet set, and protective insulating gloves, giving technicians full coverage for safe operations. Custom foam inserts with color-coded slots keep every tool visible and organized, making it easy to grab and return items without losing track. Lightweight yet sturdy, the case fits garages, service centers, or companies handling electric vehicle fleets. Every tool stays within reach, helping electricians tackle high-voltage systems efficiently, safely, and with confidence. Crimping wire ferrules has never been easier than with KNIPEX self-adjusting crimping pliers. They automatically adapt to ferrules up to 16 square millimeters, delivering fast, precise crimps every time, all built to DIN 46228 standards and UL approved. The ratchet mechanism ensures consistent results with an unlock feature for extra control, while factory calibration guarantees peak performance right out of the box. A toggle lever boosts force transmission, cutting hand fatigue during long jobs. Made from oil-hardened chrome vanadium electric steel, these pliers are built to last, and the ergonomic lightweight handles make them comfortable for extended use. Compatible with twin-wire ferrules and available in multiple finishes, they're a reliable choice for anyone needing precision and durability in one tool. That wraps up the latest KNIPEX tools. Drop a comment and tell us which ones you use and which you skip. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe so you never miss a new tool review. We bring the freshest gear straight to your feed.